My name is Aaron Twite, and I'm a professional motorcycle stunt rider. My job brings me all over the world, performing shows for thousands of maniacs. Motorcycles have led me on a journey far from typical, and my life is found exploring what lies beyond the beaten path. Join me as I adventurize the planet. Atlanta, home of the Braves, Sweet Tea, Traffic, Delta, Hip Hop, CNN, Chicken and Waffles, Peaches, and Southern Bells. This southern metropolis stands as the center of southeastern culture, and I'm proud to call it home.
Oh, hello there.
Hi guys, I'm Aaron Twite. This is
Chris Tice.
And we are Adventurizing IMS in
Are we in Atlanta?
Atlanta.
Atlanta.
Hometown.
Hometown hero.
The International Motorcycle Shows, or IMS for short, is a giant bowl of dealer and aftermarket stew brewed up for eager consumers across a 12-city tour of these United States of America. All the new bikes, gear, and gadgets on display for the masses. So, IMS is bringing the XDL Street Jam indoors for their cross-country tour. Fury on a tiny slab of polished concrete. Double danger points.
Well, hello there. My name's Tice, and I'm here with the XDL Street Jam series. We're here in beautiful, sunny, cloudy Atlanta all week long for the Progressive International Motorcycle Shows tour. As you can see, the people are lined up here for miles, waiting hours upon hours to make it right into here to one of our XDL Street Jam shows. Now, if you pay attention close enough, you're going to get to see all the action that's actually going to be coming up in the next couple of minutes. So make sure you pay attention, because it's only going to get more serious from here on out. Right? Right now, starting us off this second jam session from the seat to the tank. And he clutches up very high chair on the far end. Spells clicking. Aaron Twite, Jesse Toller spinning around.
That's all for Atlanta. Next stop, Long Beach, California.